Hey guys, I'm Christine and we are on our way to our friends Carol and Keith's place again. They let me know that a lot has changed since our last video and they wanted to give us an important update. Let's go check it out.
You're happy, you're grateful, and you're excited because you know that when you wake up tomorrow morning, you got a ton of work to get done. And that's exciting when it's your work and people are asking you for your work.
Life has changed drastically for this Japanese-style woodworker and his wife since I first introduced you to their story last month.
To be honest, I feel like it's finally happening. The word is getting out. People are responding in a positive way. You actually feel like this is going to work.
Thousands of people watched my video featuring Keith's personal story and learned about his COVID-19 layoff, his dedication to his invention, the K-Stand, and his love for Kobe Bryant.
The Kobe version really took off, which is what I was very happy about because I love that.
Thanks to many of you who were kind enough to watch and share Keith's story, he's become quite busy.
We've had this marker board to keep track of the orders, and we ran out to the store to buy a second marker board. That's slides in, I clamp it down.
Keith created his own tools to help speed up the process so that he can fulfill more orders.
Drilling a hole that small in a straight line through this length has always been a problem. So this is the latest idea. I had my brother-in-law machine these pieces of steel with the hole located there. They're in different pieces, which means depending on what size of model, I can create my own setup. So now I can drill every single piece of all of my parts just by changing the configuration.
Meanwhile, Carolyn now makes glove-like cases for the K-Stands and is still very excited about every new customer. Where have the orders come in from since our video?
Georgia. We got one from Georgia. Oh my God. I was going. We got Colorado. My part is doing all the mailing. And so I get to see where all these packages are going as we meet people and as they become part of our Ohana. That is, something special to me, dear to my heart.
Carolyn says she's even gotten mail herself from a friend in Hawaii who collaborated with them on a special project.
We told him just go ahead, whatever he feels, just create. And this is what he did, the ocean, the waves, because, and of course that's Diamond Head. But my favorite piece was this. I asked him to do a mermaid. I am touched because I never thought that something like this, a plain stand, could actually come out looking like this. I'm starting to understand wood. This is a living thing and it has its own personality. To have wood work like this makes me think it's endless.
The Kimuras invited me back to their garage to unveil their newest K-Stand.
In the video, you said this was your favorite, so we wanted to present this to you as a gift, but also we wanted to present to you as our
Unveiling.
We're unveiling this Kobe iPad, and so this is yours.
Our very first one.
This is our first one that we are giving to you.
Oh my goodness, thank you so much, I love it.
To say thank you so much for your inspirational video.
They say the recent support they've received helps them to dream bigger than before and hope to one day move into a larger facility where they can create more one-of-a-kind gifts.
There are a lot of people that I know who are not musicians, they don't have instruments, but they end up buying multiple pieces of a phone holder or an iPad holder. And then the people who we don't even know who are doing the same thing. It's just gratifying to know that these people are responding to us, they're responding to what we do, and they're really helping us out.
You can't guarantee a success. However, I do know that if you put your heart and soul into it, you can reap some of the benefits. So I know that part is true.
So just thank you.
Thank you so much for supporting us. We can't be a business without you, and we truly appreciate it. We really do. We are so blessed to have you in our lives. Thank you so much.
In Gardena, I'm Christine Lee, Kimbap TV.